Okay, ready on Christina Bryan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, on the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Christina Bryan, and file number 22-00224, counsel appearance.
Jeff Prado, on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
And Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant, Christina Bryan, who is appearing separately by video.
Today is the date. I don't know why this is on my screen. So today is the date and the time that is set for a probation violation hearing. Are we running a hearing today?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that Ms. Bryan does not dispute the allegations. At the time that this probation violation was issued, she had failed to make the required payments, and she did fail to provide verification of a new counselor. At this time, she's still not able to, well, she has a new counselor. I believe that Mr. Hanna has reached out to her, but she hasn't attended counseling. I don't believe that these allegations have not been withdrawn by today, Your Honor. But again, she's not disputing it. I wouldn't have a hearing. She does say that she has a CPS case, and she is in DBT counseling through Child and Family Charities. Again, doesn't have proof of it today, but and she also says she has a baby care appointments and that sort of thing. But again, there's no disputing what's in front of us because I don't, like I said, I believe we have the necessary proof to have Mr. Hanna or the court withdrawn.
Okay, Ms. Bryan, you want to have a hearing, or do you want to waive your hearing and plead guilty to the violation?
Your Honor, I do want to plead guilty to the violation, Your Honor.
Okay, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under the penalty of perjury?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Okay, and you've been advised of your right to have a contested hearing on the violation that has been alleged before the court today. If you're found to be guilty of violating your probation terms, do you understand that your probation status can be revoked and you can be sentenced to a term of jail time? Looks like she's frozen.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Did you hear my last statement to you?
Okay. Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Okay, so and you could be discharged from probation. You can end up having to serve a sentence for failure to comply, or you can serve the sentence under the underlying conviction for failure to properly complete probation. Your probation also can be extended, or you could have some additional sanctions imposed. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're willing to waive your right to have a hearing today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Somebody threatening you to get you to waive your right to hearing?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, any promises being made to you if you waive your hearing and plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor. No promises have been made.
Oh, okay. As to the violation, okay, no problem. As to the violation that you failed to make payments on fines and costs, this says no payments were made. How do you plead?
Not guilty on that one, Your Honor, because I think I did make that payment a while back.
Well, this was signed, I signed this violation on June 9th. So as of June 9th, had you made any payments?
I did, Your Honor, yes.
What did you make a payment before June 9th? What payment did you make?
I think it was a $20 payment.
Okay, but that was after the violation was issued, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so
I believe so.
So my question is, as of June 9th, which is the date that your probation officer requested this violation, had you made any payments?
On that day, no, Your Honor.
Okay, and so you knew that you were ordered to make payments on your fines and costs?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and you were told how much you were supposed to make payments of monthly?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your total fines cost is $465, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and so your monthly payment would have been more than $20?
It was about $20 is when I made that payment, but I don't think it was more than that, Your Honor.
You don't, your probation officer told you your payments were $20 a month?
20 or $40 a month.
20 and 40 is not the same. You understand that, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Your probation officer went over my sentence with you, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you signed a order of probation?
Yes, Your Honor.
And on that order of probation, it tells you how much you need to pay a month, doesn't it?
Yes, Your Honor. And I will be making
It's not,
payments this Friday.
and you're answering my questions only, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and on that paperwork, it tells you your payment is $41 a month, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you did not make any payment of $40 a month, have you?
No, I did not, Your Honor, but I will be making it ASAP.
Thank you. Then as to the violation that you failed to participate in counseling as ordered by the court, how do you plead?
I will plead guilty, Your Honor, but with an explanation, please and thank you.
Okay, you were supposed to participate in counseling and provide verification of your new counselor to probation as ordered by the court, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and it looks like we even extended your probation at one point to give you time to provide verification of your new mental health counseling, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you provided that verification?
No, I have not, Your Honor, but I have a counseling appointment on August 30th at 8 a.m.
With whom?
Her name is Alicia.
Where's Alicia from?
And she is, let me have my phone.
Your phone is losing signal.
Kind of
I can't hear what you're saying.
lifespan. Sorry, but can you hear me now, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay, sorry about that. It is lifestance therapist and psychiatrics in East
No,
about
your phone
road.
is breaking up. Your phone is breaking up. I'm going to adjourn this. You need to appear in person.
I can hear you now, Your Honor.
Yeah, it's not about you hearing me though. I can't hear you. So you can appear in person.
Okay. I don't have a way there, Your Honor.
Okay,
right
I'm not
now.
saying you have to appear today. I'm gonna give you another day.
Oh. Okay. Can you hear me now?
It's going in and out, and I'm not finished with my
Okay.
questions, and so I don't want to keep having to go through you freezing.
Okay. Now can you hear me? I took the earphones off.
September 18th at 1:30 in person at the court.
Okay. Your Honor.
Thank you. Bring your verification.
I will.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did Miss Donnelly see that note? Let Miss Donnelly do that. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's probably because I talked to him earlier. It's just
No.
a misunderstanding. We were talking about what she'd been doing counseling wise.
Sounds good. Yeah. I want that in the file, yes. Okay, let's see. On On the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jerome Hunt, file number 20-01232. Council appearance.
Jeff Braddock on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Jerome Hunt, who is in the courtroom and standing to my right.
Okay, Mr. Hunt, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing all right. Let's see. Violation. It's a date set for hearing on a probation violation. I could just sign violation. Okay, violation that I signed on June 22nd is that you failed to enroll in a GED program as ordered by the court. And you were arraigned on the alleged violation back in April. Let's see. You request court appointed counsel. Actually, you were arraigned on this one in July. You requested court appointed counsel, and we set it for hearing. Are we proceeding to hearing today?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. So is he pleading guilty to the violation?
Your Honor, he was not in compliance at the time of the allegation. He has since brought himself into compliance and enrolled in the GED. So
News that I like to hear. Do you have that information with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see. Okay, so you are or have an appointment this week, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You're just gonna take the test?
I am going to take the test for this social studies.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, well, let's see. You're supposed to end probation on the 13th, but you're not in compliance. And you have this new appointment on the 31st, so I'm gonna reset this hearing. So you can show me that you passed your test. You pass your test, and I'll discharge you from probation.
Thank you.
31st is when he has his test. But this, or his appointment, he was supposed to end probation. I meant this month. I'm gonna reset it. I'm gonna continue until after the hearing.
September 11th at 1:30.
September 11th at 1:30. Here's the thing, if you pass the test, you just need to forward that before then to your probation officer, okay?
Okay.
And then they can notify me, and then I can go in here and discharge you without you having to come back, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing from the people, Your Honor.
nothing to the defense. Your Honor.
Okay, we'll get you a notice to appear. Amber Valencia here?
No.
Joshua Wetzel here?
Yeah.
And then, okay. Mr. Wetzel? Okay. On the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Joshua Wetzel, file number is 22-02354. Mr. Wetzel, today's the date set for an arraignment on probation violation. You have a request and summons for probation violation here. It alleges that you have committed the following technical probation violations. Violation number 16 is that you failed to submit to random drug testing at Reality Counseling back on July 11th, July 27th, August 1st, and August 11th. And that you committed violation number 8 by allegedly failing to re-enroll in domestic violence programming at Cognitive Consultants. So you have the right to have a contested hearing. You have the right to be represented by an attorney at that contested hearing. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, you can have the public defender's office do an intake to see if they can represent you, okay? If you are found to be in violation of your probation terms and conditions, your probation can be continued, it can be terminated, or it can be extended. You also can have a term of jail time imposed. You understand that? Okay. Did you want to request an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so we'll enter a plea of not guilty, and then you can meet with one of the public defenders today before you leave, if you haven't already. And then we'll get your hearing date.
Sure.
September 18th at 1:30.
September 18th at 1:30. Have any questions at this time?
Thank you.
Okay, you're all set for now. We'll get you your notice to appear. So we did not see Valencia, that's a bench warrant. So what?
He's downstairs. They have him in person.
Okay, we're running a hearing. Oh, no one spoke to him. We can bring Johnson up.
Right, Johnson.
Sure.
Judge just asked if we're running a hearing.
No, we will, no, Your Honor, we will not be running anything on Mr. Johnson.
Okay, we'll have him brought up.
You guys can do you.
I'm gonna do him first. Are we having a